How we doing, guys? Today I'm going to start a series on Bluetooth on Android. This can be used for communication between devices or other Bluetooth objects like keyboards and mouses, or even electronic modules, which is what I'll be using. First things first is just set up a new project, or if you want to implement your own project, that's fair enough. This is completely new. Just called it main activity. Just got a simple new layout. Get rid of that. Because Android emulator doesn't support Bluetooth, you're going to have to be following along with your device plugged in. I recommend doing this anyway, but yeah, I can't exactly show you what's happening, so follow along on your device and you should see. What I will be using is a C++ program to get the results of my Bluetooth connection, so which doesn't seem to be working at the moment, but so we'll have a wee screen so you can see the feedback of what I'm doing anyway, even if we can't see what I'm sending. So first things first is we got to work on our design. So what we're going to do is, I think we'll just get a wee list of devices and maybe a button here. So just chuck in a list view, wherever they are, composite, yeah, composite, and chuck in maybe a button. Yeah, chuck in a wee button down the bottom, and just get all your stuff. Get rid of all that crap. Let's just call this be new connect, or why don't we even call it connect new, because that would make more sense. Connect new. The list view, let's just call it list view. That's nice and easy to remember. And we'll go a line above, layout above, now this will just lay this out above this, so as you can see here, and we'll just get this all looking pretty. Match parent. If you don't have one of the newer versions of Android, this may be having one of those wee squiggly yellow lines like you can see here, because the earlier versions it was called fill parent. I don't know why they changed it, but that might be the case for a lot of you. Yeah, let's just call that new. In fact, put a wee text view up here as well. Text view, give it some layouts. Line at top. Parent top, true. And we'll set its text to paired devices. Now what I'm talking about here is, for you to connect to a phone, it's got to be paired with your device already. Not even with a phone, with any Bluetooth module or any Bluetooth connection. It needs to be paired with your phone for security reasons. You can't just automatically create a new pairing and then connect to it, because Bluetooth, it just is like that. So we have to manually go into settings and set up a new connection. So that's what this new button will be doing, and we'll align this below that text view. Text view PD, let's call it that. And to align that, we actually have to give it an ID. So at plus ID and text view PD. Right, so that should be good to go there. Paired devices, good. Alright, moving on.